Good afternoon, lovely people. And today I am so hungover, but still it doesn't stop me from making you something special. And of course, how do we cure our hangover? With a good Bloody Mary. So guys, let's cure our hangover. So guys, what do we need? We have a good quality vodka. We have a Worcestershire sauce, got that correct? We have Tabasco. We have some garnishes here. We have a very good tomato juice. We have horseradish, lemon juice, and a salt and pepper. The majority of the Bloody Mary is made up of tomato juice. And this is the key ingredients. And today, we are going to use this tomato juice from Peruviana naked tomato. Why naked? Because this tomato juice is freshly grated and it handpicked at the right ripeness of the tomatoes. So guys, let's start to build our Bloody Mary. I have a picture here. And we're gonna throw in our horseradish. Actually, you can adjust your preference here if you want it too spicy or not spicy or mild. And then we have lemon juice. So Tabasco, just a dash of Tabasco, depending how you like it. The key ingredient is this Worcestershire sauce. Got that correct again? Yay! Just a dash. Salt and pepper. And I have this Russian vodka. Just 2 ounces or 2.5 ounces. Depends, of course, how strong you like it. Because I'm so hungover today. I want more alcohol. And of course, our lovely fresh naked tomato juice. Now, what's good thing about this Peruviana naked tomato juice is because they already have the measurement. So I think roughly around 5 milliliter. So we throw in some ice. I wash my hands. And we stir. So guys, our Bloody Mary is already finished, and now it's time for garnish and the glass. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rim the glass with the lemon. Just rim it. And then we're gonna rim the glass with salt and pepper. Just like that. We're gonna stir our Bloody Mary again and put it in our glass. And we garnish it with celery. I want a little bit more of decoration. And we have some bacon inside if you wish. And some olives. So guys, here's my lovely Bloody Mary. I'm so excited. How much? Because so many garnishes. I don't even know how to drink this. But of course, and our bacon. Oh, that is so lovely. Oh, so warm. Weather so good. Guys, if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, because I will make food that will always make you feel good. Bye and cheers, guys. About roughly, you know what's good thing about this Peruviana tomato juice? It has this how do you call this again?
Measurement.